Guys,
hours and 11 minutes.
I made a challenge for my husband and my son that this holiday we'll have no phone.
Yeah.
No using of phone for like the social media.
Nah, I think I'm fine.
Yes, and that will be when we arrive in Budmin for 1 day. Just for 1 day, Raman said na.
Yeah, still.
Yeah, it's a challenge. Challenge na siya. So I demand. It's a demand, and also Popsy will no longer be using his phone for like watching YouTube or what. Akura. It's only Mamsi because I'll do my vlogging.
Wow.
It's funny. Anong sa may katawanan?
It's not fair.
What you mean it's not fair? This is for Kwanman. Purposes of evidence.
If we're gonna stop, you guys stop as well.
Kamu ba challenge goodness? So how will I show it that this challenge is you park. Uy, sige na ba? You know my boys, they have to do it. Otherwise, magtantrum si Mamsi. So where are we now? So the next stop will go for services. So we will have something to eat, and my Popsy has to rest for a bit. We need to drink coffee. I'll treat my boys. I'll treat Popsy for coffee. Is that okay, hon?
What?
I'll treat you for coffee.
Yeah, I'll treat.
Yeah. Ethan. Uy.
What?
Gibutang tika lagi diha. Kung anay mong daddy entertain na kay ga-drive mong daddy. Kaya ako princess mo ko dere. Kana bitong murag yun ka nang gadas tibok balay. Look at inside the car, guys. Yeah. Ngayon akong anak ba? So mom, it's all yours. It's all mine. Ito nga, mani it's all mine.
It's all yours.
It's all mine.
All yours.
Yeah, na siya, mom. These are all yours. Sige na, see you next in the next episode, guys, ha?